Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings, and today I want to teach you how to make these holly leaves and fruits. We need just two color yarn, green color yarn and red color yarn, or the color that you prefer. I hope you like it and you want to do it, and if it's like that, let's see the materials. I will use SINFONIA brand yarn. It's 100% yarn, is about 3 millimeters and has 6 threads. Just to color, the same color that I told you. You can buy this yarn with us on our website GretaWings.com. This one and more yarns. Remember, you can use whatever yarn that you prefer. Depending on the yarn that you use, maybe the size on this pattern will be different, and also you need to select the correct hook. For this yarn I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. Also we need scissors, wool needle, and just a few stuff. And that's it. This is all the materials that we need. Then let's start. We will start making the leaves. We will start with a slip knot and then 25 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will continue doing chains until we are 25. After 25 chains, we will start in the second chain, repeating 4 times this. First, 1 slip stitch. In the second chain, 1 slip stitch, 1 and 2 here. After that, 1 single crochet. In the next chain, 1/2 double crochet. And in the next chains, 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1/2 double crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 slip stitch, and that's it. This is what we will repeat 3 times more, and pay close attention and you can see how I made that. On round 2, we will start with 4 slip stitches, starting in the first slip stitch on the previous round. 1 slip stitch, 2, 3, and 4. And now together in the same base, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 chain, 1 slip stitch, and pay close attention where it's here, and 1 single crochet in the same base. Now 2 slip stitch, 1 and 2, and together the same like this, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 chain, 1 slip stitch, 1 single crochet, and 8 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now we will repeat the same from the 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, everything until 8 slip stitch. We will repeat 2 times more. Then pay close attention and you can see how. And after the third repetition, after the last 8 slip stitch, we will make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 chain, 1 slip stitch, and 1 single crochet, 2 slip stitch, 1 and 2, and repeat the same, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 chain, 1 slip stitch, 1 single crochet, and for the end 4 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we will make slip stitch on the center. 24, 23 will be okay. Just a easy detail on the center. equal fruits. I'm already made 2 and we will make the third together. We will use red colored yarn, and on round 1 we will start with a magic rain. And then 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can close the magic rain, and on round 2 we will make 6 increase, working in a spiral. 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, and we already have 1 increase. We will continue doing increase until finish this round with 12 points. On rounds 3 and 4 we will make 12 single crochet in each round. It's the same if you made 24 single crochet. 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and repeating the same on round 4. And when you finish the round 4, you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for clothes and also for make the union with the another fruit, and also to make the union with the leaves. And pay close attention and you can see how I made that. And that's it. Cut the yarn. And we already finished this holly. I really love it. And I'm already made too. It's easy, then you can make as many holly that you prefer. Then I will show you. You can use this holly and put in on this bell that we already have tutorial on this channel. In the description of this video you can find the links, and you can see it's so cute. And also we already have more tutorials about Christmas on this channel, and I want to show you. We have this leader hat and also this boat. I hope you liked our tutorials and you follow our projects for Christmas. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Until next amigurumi, bye bye.